Hey everybody! So today I thought I'd take you guys through how I go about grain filling a guitar body. This is something that's super important if you're working with a porous type of wood. This is a paulownia, which is what they make surfboards usually out of. It's also super light, great guitar wood. It's almost like ash to where you can really see the grain and the grain comes through. This is what we're going to be grain filling. See how porous all of this is. So our filler is going to fill up all of these tiny holes. Today I'm going to be using StewMax Ash grain filler. It's water-based powder. You can use a credit card, anything like that style of card, and just running it over the top, and letting it sink into the wood grain. I decided to use a brush and hit it a couple times. I'm just going to mix it up and we're going to paint it on. Let's do this. So we've gone ahead and we've done about 2 coats. I'm probably gonna have to hit it again, but I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. All right, so now that we've let the guitar body sit for 24 hours after grain filling, this is what we're left with. Definitely heavy on the grain fill, just to fill in all those spots. I'm gonna do some sanding with just a basic wooden block and some 320 grit cling spore sandpaper, and I'm just gonna go over the body until I start to actually see the wood grain again, but I don't want to sand too deep, and then hopefully we can from there go ahead and start with like a white sealer coat, just like a primer, before laying down our color coat. Yeah. Alright, so I just finished sanding on the body with 320 grit sandpaper. I block sanded it all flat, and here's what we got. I was really careful not to sand through everything. We can still see a few little spots in here, that didn't grain fill all the way, but that's okay. I'm gonna spray it, and hopefully that should fill in, enough. So that's how you do it. It's super easy. It doesn't take very long. Highly recommend doing this though before any of your finishes on porous wood bodies. It'll make all the difference later on and save you a ton of time. So it'll save you lacquer, because you'll be using a lot less lacquer to fill those holes and or divots within the guitar body.